The biggest depression in history, the Greatest Depression, has begun. Robert Kiyosaki. In one corner of the world, in the deep darkness of night, glowing screens suddenly began turning red. Charts began to fall, indexes went silent, and the heartbeat of the global market slowed down. Financial experts stared at their screens, trying to understand what was happening. And in these very hours, a 78-year-old man, whose predictions people once took lightly, suddenly wrote a message that shook the world. History's biggest depression has begun. He was not an ordinary man, but the person who taught the world that without understanding money, it is impossible to understand life. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, the person who, in 2013, warned the world that the most terrifying depression in history was coming. And now, a decade later, the same man is saying that the depression has already begun. This line didn't feel like a tweet. It felt as if someone had put a red mark on the world's future. In Kiyosaki's eyes, this depression is not just a small market decline. It is a crack that will split the world's economic wall right down the middle. America, once an economic superpower, is now being crushed under its own debt. Europe is already struggling with an energy crisis, weak growth, and declining industries. Asia, which was considered the factory of the world, is now losing its identity due to AI-driven automation. When there are no jobs, demand will end. When demand ends, production will stop. And when production stops, the entire economy will collapse. This depression is not a story of numbers, but of people standing on the edge of a sword, people whose one EMI, one job, one savings account. Everything is now at risk because of AI. Kiyosaki says AI made the world faster, but far more dangerous. Earlier, machines used to take away the jobs of laborers. Now AI is silently swallowing white-collar jobs. The work that an accountant, writer, designer, programmer, or analyst once did is now being done by software. AI has shrunk offices, and along with that has shaken the foundation of commercial real estate. When jobs disappear, who will be left to buy houses? How long will companies survive to rent office spaces? This is why Kiyosaki says, the real beginning of a depression starts with jobs disappearing and ends with home prices falling. Mortgage defaults have already begun in the US. Commercial buildings are lying empty. And in Europe, banks are spending sleepless nights worrying about liquidity. This is the phase when an economy doesn't just fall. It breaks. Kiyosaki does not stop here. He says that in the last 10 years, governments have printed so much money, taken so much debt, and adopted such wrong fiscal policies that the value of currency has now become just an illusion. He calls the dollar fake money because it is being printed without any real backing. The more paper notes are printed, the more inflation rises, and the poorer the poor become. He says, people who are trusting paper money are making the biggest mistake in history. This continuous money printing model of governments has now pushed the world's currencies into a crisis. The dollar is weakening, the euro is struggling, the yen has already fallen. And in the middle of this, Kiyosaki says the real money of the world is the kind that cannot be printed: gold, silver, crypto. This is why he repeatedly insists that in this collapsing world, the only people who are safe are those who own gold, silver, or Bitcoin. All other assets, whether real estate, mutual funds, or bonds, can break like a fragile thread. He says gold is God's real money, silver is the poor man's gold, and Bitcoin is the invisible power of the digital age. The traditional banking system is slowly breaking down, and crypto is filling that vacuum. Kiyosaki claims that as AI takes over more human jobs, the imbalance in the global economy will increase, and trust in currency systems will fall even further. This is the time when rare assets will show their true power. His prediction about silver is even more shocking. Kiyosaki says that at present silver is around $50. But this is only the beginning. In industrial demand, solar panels, batteries, and chips, silver is a critical resource. Supply is falling, but demand is rising rapidly. His estimate is that silver will first go to $70 and then reach $200 by 2026. And if that happens, silver, which seems so cheap today, could become the most valuable asset in the coming years. Kiyosaki says that recessions always hit those who are not prepared. But those who act with wisdom instead of fear are the ones who turn this crisis into an opportunity. Their target for gold is an even bigger warning. He says that by 2026, gold can reach $27,000 per ounce. This happens only when currencies collapse. In history, whenever empires have fallen, whenever economies have crashed, whenever the world has been gripped by uncertainty, gold prices have soared. You can touch gold, hold it, and it never loses its value anywhere. This is why people who fear a recession always run toward gold. Kiyosaki warns that this is the time to protect your money, not drown it in government-printed currency. He has taken a bold stance on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. He says Bitcoin can reach $250,000 by 2026. He believes Bitcoin will become the digital reserve currency of the future, just as the dollar functions today. He has never considered crypto a speculative asset, but a survival tool. He has never hidden the fact that he buys Bitcoin even during downturns. He has repeatedly stated his principle that real understanding of value is when you buy an asset at a time when the world is running away from it. In his book Rich Dad's Prophecy, he wrote that the coming crash would change millions of lives, destroy some, and make some billionaires. And today he is saying that crash has already arrived. The interesting thing is that a few days ago he sold his own $20 million worth of Bitcoin. But selling did not mean an exit. He invested that money in buying to surgical centers and in a billboard business. He explained himself that this is diversification. He still trusts Bitcoin and says he will buy more crypto using positive cash flow. His thinking is clear: cash flow from income-producing assets and security from rare assets. This is the model he is trying to explain to people all over the world. Kiyosaki's statement is not just a hint of economic fear. It is a warning of a mindset shift. The world is now moving toward a path where even big companies can shut down overnight. Real estate giants, tech companies, retailers, all are under pressure. The long list of layoffs is growing every single day. The mortgage market is collapsing. The Federal Reserve itself is confused about how to control inflation. And in the middle of all this, AI is advancing rapidly, ending new jobs every day, bringing new technologies that are replacing humans. This is the time when the world has become more unstable than technology itself. Kiyosaki's message regarding this depression is clear: millions will lose, but millions will also rise. This downfall will destroy those who make decisions out of fear. But at the same time, it will make wealthy those who believe not in panic, but in planning. Rare assets, cash flow, real value. These are the things that turn survival into wealth. The biggest depression in history has begun. This is not just the story of charts falling. It is the story of human anxiety, the struggle of companies, the crisis of currencies, the growing shadow of AI, and a signal of global chaos. This is the time when every individual will have to understand the value of their money again. They will have to learn the difference between paper money and real money. They will have to recognize the thin line between fear and opportunity. And in the end, the question is only this: will you run away from this depression out of fear? Or will you build your future in the middle of it? This decision will determine your entire life in the next 5 years.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every news story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources: news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.